Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will be present about article review and employment. So this is our group members: Nur Amira Ufa binti Abdul Aziz, Nik Nur Alika binti Ni Azmi, and Armi Syaira Izwin binti Muhammad Isa. So for the next slide, we have table of contents. For number 1, we have introduction. Second, issues. Third, method. Fourth, discussion. 5, suggestion, and 6, conclusion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Armi Syaira Izwin binti Muhammad Isa, and I'm going to present introduction. First point, human capital resources which are full of potential and competitive are needed in this globalization era. Human capital is significant because productivity and thus profitability are perceived to increase. For example, the more business invests in its staff in their education and training, the more efficient and competitive the staff could be. It is important to ensure the productivity of a company or organization runs smoothly, and in turn, they can achieve the success of the objective that have been set. Next point, the rate of unemployment graduates are increased. Due to the current pandemic, unemployment amongst the graduates become a hot issue in Malaysia. According to Datuk Seri N. Saravanan, the rate of unemployment continues to report a downward trend from 5.3% in May to 4.6% in September, and a further decline to 4.5% was predicted, and the trend will continue into 2021. The Department of Statistics state that the rate of unemployment people in Malaysia is now the highest in a decade, as people saw their life damaged in the aftermath of COVID-19 and the Order Regularization Campaign (MCO). Last point, graduates in Malaysia who has the ability to expand the market in Malaysia should be given the best opportunity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir. My name is Nur Alika binti Ni Azmi, and today I'm going to present to you about the problems or issue raised in the article. So, according to the article, the problem or issues that has been raised is the graduate do not have the specific skills, and it is the need of every industry. Okay, the article mentioned that most graduates still weak at the aspect of employability, skills, and lack of performance. This show that skills and qualification are really important. As a candidate or student should be developed with the skills from university, so that if they are graduate, they're able to be hired from any industry. Okay, the second problem is the lack of Malaysian graduates in any skills that relate to management, communication, leadership, problem solving, self-confidence, interaction skill, creativity, and critical thinking. The lack of in this term will lead to difficulties in getting any job because this is the basic qualification for someone to be hired. This skill is basic thing that graduate need to have, not just for work. It also be useful in daily life. Okay. The third problem is the job vacancy is a lack of candidate who are able and qualified to be hired. This happen when the graduate skills did not meet the industry qualifications, so they can be hired. The authors also found that graduates nowadays in Malaysia did not fully prepare in facing the globalization. Besides, in this era or new generation, it will difficult for graduates to gaining place in industry of works. The method that we use to overcome the issues is, the first one is develop skills of the graduate. Based on the article, the authors state that the method to use to overcome the issues is by the skill and quality need to be developed when they are at the higher educational institution. They need to be focused more on improve the employability skills and technical skills as well, not only focusing in scoring a good grades only. They should balance the skills and academics so that they be more quality. So basically, technical skills can be referred as a ability of the graduate to perform in tasks that relate to mechanics, mathematics, science, and information technology. Meanwhile, employability skills can be known as communication, teamwork, leadership, motivate, and in following instruction. These two skills are really important for graduate to fulfill in order to increase the productivity of industry. The second one is lecturer competence. Okay, this is where the quality of lecturers itself plays important roles in ensure the university graduates are quality enough. It not just only depends on how many tasks the or assessment that be given by the lecturer to educate them, but it also depends on their attitude or behavior that can motivate the student to be better. Okay, so lecturer should have a good personality and character where it involve the professionally and socially competent so that the graduate can feel inspired and make their lecturer as a model to be followed. Okay, the third one is good qualification of education, which is the candidate should be developed with good qualification of education, including recognition of success, achievement-oriented, effective learning time, quality of the curriculum, structured teaching, and leadership. Besides having a good skill, quality of education also important where it might be useful for candidate in the industry. For example, curriculum can be included in skills that be needed by the graduates to fulfill the industry qualification, where it create the link that connect the industry to the need in providing more job opportunities for graduates. Some people might think that club or co-curriculum is just something that just need to be involved in university, but actually any co-curriculum activities that the student participate, it will train the student to improve their leadership and teamwork skill. Therefore, quality of the education is also important in the industry that need to be fulfilled by the graduates.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira Urfa binti Abdul Aziz.
We will be continue with the for the next slide. It's about discussion based on article. They have a 3 item, which is graduates interviews, lecturer competency, and quality of educations. Okay, this is the explanation for 3 items. The first one is graduates interviews. Ability, skill, and technical knowledge are skills that learner can learn since they are essential requirements that will assist them in getting jobs, as those are important criteria that can help them to get a job. Many employees in our country nowadays, because certain companies or agency want a truly employable skill and experience in working at least 2 years as workers. Okay, based on technical finding, employability skill among graduates have been a factor in the problem of unemployment. Many respondents accepted that many of graduates having trouble adapting what they're studying to workplace at the educational institution. And for the next term is lecturer competency. The first point is becomes the obligation of an instructor to introduce features of a professional graduate into the curriculum. Graduate success depends on the quality of educators. For example, include the reference materials used and a favorable climate, and others that contribute to the creation of a positive personality and excellent academic success. Function of a lecturer is vital because they are necessary to indicate graduates to become excellent human that will serve the economy of a country and improve it. And the second point, lecturer at a Malaysian higher education institution did not give attention to teaching and learning skill training and organization. Lecturers should be aware that these qualities are important for learner to learn. About this point is potential of educational institution is questionable based on ongoing growth and planning to create the next wave of human capital. It is not clear the criteria such as outstanding infrastructure, a supportive working atmosphere, and essential references material for the application of the institutional method. And for the next term, which is quality of education. The first point is the standard of education, especially in higher education institution, is a major factor in the problem of unemployment among Malaysian graduates. So, both people, including all adults, believe that education is very important to all individuals because education will transform our life and improve our attitude. After that, university is a role in the provision of curriculum and product component. The area of education is not compatible with the necessary skill in the workplace. And the second point is many university graduates accepted that they were less competent, less qualified, and were not in step with the industry needs. So, employee and business have suggested that since many of the graduates created by the university did not achieve a sufficient standard of work skill, the program of higher education institution should be updated. Education as key reflect the difference between industry necessary standard and specification that are not met by knowledge and skill. So, next slide, we have a based on our suggestion about the 3 items. So, we continue with the explanation. So, graduate interviews. What our suggest, the fresh graduate nowadays, so many employing because of lack of experience, ability skill, and technical skill. Yes, we are agree with that because in the article said, in working life, we need all soft skill and experience also can help become a good workers. Okay, what I can see right now, the fresh graduates are very choosy about working. That's why so many fresh graduates do not have experience as an employee. We are suggested that fresh graduates do not be choosy about working because becoming choosy about working can make our ability cannot be shown. For example, fresh graduate can try to work at a certain shop or start from the bottom like clerks. Because from that work, at least the fresh graduate can indicate that their work experience. Yes, I know. Too many students want to work according that what students learn while at university. But nowadays, we cannot choose because the job opportunities are reduced in our country. And the second point, the new graduates must be prepared for job skill because job skill are very important if you want to be an employee. And this is about new graduates does not provide work skill when applying for a job. We state that new graduates must have a work experience. From experience, we can learn have a good working skill. Professional ability is a crucial element that should be mastered by graduates since it is the secret that makes graduates get jobs. And the lack of liberty during the interview, students can display employability qualities that are excellent at showing off. And the second item, lecture competency. The first point, influences the quality of university graduate is the quality of lecturers. Lecturers are not only tied to an everyday activity of studying, but the student activity are example and template. And about this, lecturers should also have a strong personality traits and personal qualities as well as intellectual and social maturity. For us, the lecturer is not a problem because lecturers have done the best for their student. Only the student needs to know what is coming and he wants to be fulfill their ambition. And our suggestion about this topic is lecturers just give their best for student and make the environment in student to become happy. Also, easy to connect with each other between student and lecturer to make it more comfortable to ask any questions. And the second point, having a nice environment, studying and a good lecturer can make students so much comfortable and the lecturer can be a role model for their student. Okay, for example, having a good lecturer with a good knowledge, nice attitude also can make students want to make their lecturer a role model. For me, as an individual opinion, in our class, we are very happy when the lecturer tell their experience as an employee. Because from that story, we can know about the experience as a worker and gain knowledge from that story. And the last term is quality of education. In article said, a strong education standard is important to achieve the happiness of customer. So, as client, students are entitled to a decent standard of education and are entitled to judge an educational institution. Among the factors affecting the success of an educational institution are leadership, educational content, the environment in the classroom, achievement-oriented, active learning time, formal teaching, and acknowledge of development. For example, in university, you are having skill like good communication in English language and also have a great grade in your exam. So that is a good opportunity to get a nice job. And the second point is, a student must balance our education and curriculum because our curriculum is also important for applying for any job. Yes, I agree about that. We agree about that because student, the curriculum program is a graduate must have a basic like emergency help. Okay, for example, the student at the university taught a Red Crescent co-curriculum uniform club. From the Red Crescent, the student can learn how to save people. So many company right now looking for that emergency assistant among employee. So it's that good opportunity from that curriculum.
That's all from me. I will be passed to for the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Armi Syairah Izwin binti Humaisa and I'm going to present conclusion. Based on the things that have been discussed, various factors have been elaborated and this problem can be solved. There are many problems or issues that raised in article. This indicates that some of the problems attached are among the reasons why unemployment among graduates is still high. Moreover, there are some methods used to overcome this issue. This discussion is also included once along with ways to prevent defeat things from happening to give the graduate the opportunity to expand their ability in the field of employment. Our hope is that unemployment among graduates can be reduced and each of them deserves to be given a job and a salary commensurate with their qualification. We believe that many graduates in Malaysia have high market ability in developing various sectors in Malaysia. And if they are all given equal opportunity, Malaysia surely can produce high quality workers.